So your check engine light is on for code P0456, but the car drives perfectly fine. This is a common issue, and you can find the leak yourself without a professional smoke machine. The code means there is a very small leak somewhere in the evaporative emission system. When the computer says very small, it means a hole as tiny as 0.020 inches in diameter. This is why just changing the gas cap, which is the most common guess, rarely fixes the problem. It is also why a visual inspection will not show you anything. The real source of the leak is almost always a tiny crack in a plastic or rubber hose. In cold weather, the hard plastic EVAP lines that run under the car's chassis and into the engine bay shrink and become extremely brittle. This can cause hairline stress fractures to form, especially at connection points like the purge valve hose barbs or near the charcoal canister, which is often located up above the rear axle. In other cases, unseen damage from rodents chewing on the lines can also trigger this specific code. Because the leak is microscopic, the only reliable diagnostic procedure is to put low-pressure smoke into the system and watch for where it escapes. You can build a simple, low-pressure smoke machine for this test. The forum-verified do-it-yourself method involves using a basic hand pump fluid transfer tool, which you can connect to a sealed mason jar. Inside the jar, you will need an item that produces thick, dense smoke when ignited, such as an incense stick, a small piece of a mineral oil-soaked rag, or even a cheap cigar. The entire point is to generate and pump this dense smoke at a very low pressure, specifically under 1 pound per square inch, directly into the EVAP system. You can introduce the smoke through the vehicle's dedicated EVAP test port or by disconnecting and using the purge valve inlet. Once you start pumping, allow the smoke to steadily fill the entire system without applying too much pressure. Then, with the system filled, take a very bright flashlight and begin to inspect the full length of all the EVAP tubing. Start in the engine bay and trace the lines all the way to the rear of the vehicle. Pay extra close attention to the body of the charcoal canister itself and every single connection point along the way. The microscopic leak will instantly reveal its location with a visible, thin wisp of smoke escaping from the crack or loose fitting. This immediately pinpoints the exact spot that needs to be repaired. Once identified, you can perform a targeted repair by replacing just the specific cracked hose section, or by applying a new, tight hose clamp, if the leak is at a connection. After you have made the repair, clearing the code from the dashboard is not the final step. The fix is only complete after the car's main computer, the engine control unit, runs its own internal vacuum self-test and passes. You must use a scan tool to monitor the onboard diagnostics 2 EVAP Readiness monitor to confirm that this self-test has successfully passed. Ignoring a P0456 code means your check engine light will remain illuminated, and your vehicle will automatically fail any required emissions inspection. Checking that the readiness monitor has passed is the only way to know the fix is complete, and the light will stay off.